The artificial intelligence boom shows no signs of slowing down, and Together AI is riding the wave with jaw-dropping momentum. The startup, which grants developers seamless access to AI computing power, has just secured a massive $305 million funding round, catapulting its valuation to $3.3 billion. This blockbuster deal, spearheaded by General Catalyst and Saudi Arabia's Prosperity 7 Ventures, is a clear signal that AI innovation is hotter than ever. Joining the investment frenzy are heavy hitters like Salesforce Ventures, Nvidia, Kleiner Perkins, Emergence Capital, Lux Capital, and Coatue Management, proving that the world sees Together AI as a powerhouse in the making. So what makes Together AI so special? In an era where AI development demands immense computing resources, the company delivers a one-stop shop for open source AI models and high-performance compute power. We provide a truly end-to-end service. From cutting-edge Nvidia computing clusters to powerful software and platform tools, we make it effortless for developers to build and deploy AI applications at scale. And businesses are taking notice fast. Together AI has skyrocketed past $100 million in annualized revenue, a staggering leap from just $30 million in early 2024, according to insiders. With over 200 open-source AI models at users' fingertips, including Meta's Llama and models from Chinese AI trailblazer DeepSeek, Together AI is making sure innovation isn't locked behind closed doors. We firmly believe AI should be developed openly and transparently. This is a fundamental tool for humanity. Tech giant Nvidia isn't just an investor, it's a core partner. Together AI runs on Nvidia hardware and has plans to roll out the latest Blackwell GPUs in its data centers, ensuring developers get cutting-edge performance for their AI models. The fresh funding isn't just for show. Together AI plans to double its workforce, currently 160 strong, by the end of 2025 as it scales up to meet this surging demand of AI computing. With billions in funding, explosive revenue growth, and mission to democratize AI, Together AI is proving that the future of AI isn't just being built, it's being unleashed. Want more AI updates? If you found this story exciting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest in AI and tech innovation. Drop a comment below. What do you think about Together AI's massive growth? Are open source AI models the future? Let's talk in the comments. Stay tuned for more AI breakthroughs, and I'll see you in the next one.